Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Woodpeckers Deep Dive. My name's Jeff Ferris. Today we're not in my shop. We're at Woodpeckers headquarters, and we're taking a closer look at our brand new Woodpeckers full throttle blast gates. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know about every one of our great videos right when they come out. And if you like what you see today, be sure and give us a thumbs up. All right, let's get started. So we introduced the blast gates about 7 or 8 days ago, and we're getting a lot of questions on social media and on our customer service line. We're going to address some of those today because everybody's got the same questions. We'll answer them for you right here. So one of the most popular questions we were asked was about how well the gate seals when it's closed. It isn't a 100% perfect seal, but it's pretty darn good. Let's take a look at how well this does with just some material in front of the closed gate. And you can see there's not enough suction there to even move it. When you open the gate, it's gone. Now, one of the other questions that we were asked quite frequently was about material catching on the gate. You may have noticed in that last scene that we showed you, a little bit caught at the very bottom of the gate. Let's see if we can make that happen again. You can see there's a tiny bit caught at the bottom of the gate, but you'll also notice that it keeps going away, and if you move the gate the tiniest little bit, it's gone. And one of the other things that people asked about was, with that gate in the middle of the airstream, what's going to happen when a big chunk goes through? I kind of wondered why your big chunks are going through your dust collector. But if you have a floor sweep or something falls down inside your table saw, you don't have to worry. You're not going to damage your gate. You're not going to clog up your system. Take a look. We'll just send some pretty good sized chunks through this system. As you can see, we sent a bunch of 1-inch chunks through there, even some 1x2s. No damage at all. The valve didn't even move. Another question that we had was about the tension on the handle. I may have gotten a little carried away when we did the product video because I wanted to make it look like it was a disappearing act, and I flipped that valve all the way open and closed real quick. And it made it look like there's no tension on there at all. That's just not the case. There's a specially designed O-ring inside that valve that keeps that at the tension so that it stays right where you put it. Another question we had was about putting together a small central dust collection system. What materials does the full throttle blast gate work with? We used in our system, we put that together with PVC pipe. It's relatively inexpensive, it's easy to put together, and you can get everything you need at your local home center. But the big question came up was, does it glue to PVC? My initial response was, I didn't think so. So we went out and we got some PVC cement and found out it certainly does. It creates a perfect bond. Now, the question is, do you really want to do that? Now, there are 3 different ways that we can put a joint together with PVC pipe. Obviously, you can glue it, but if you don't want quite that permanent an installation, you can do this with silicone caulk. Put a bead of caulk around the outside of the gate, slide your PVC pipe on, and then just put a couple of sheet metal screws in. You'll have a joint that will be sealed, but you can take it apart and move it if you ever need to. And then what we did when we set ours up, since we weren't sure if or how long it would be set up just like this, we used just a short section of flexible hose between the joint and a PVC fitting. For those glue joints, all we used is the standard all-purpose cement, and that will bond ABS plastic to PVC. Now, the other material that people asked about was ductwork. This is 26 gauge, 4-inch ductwork like you would find in your home's central air system. And it's a pretty good material to do a central system with. It's relatively easy to work with. I personally prefer PVC, but if you have any concerns about grounding, the steel ductwork is going to give you a better grounded system than PVC. And Full Throttle works perfectly with these. It's a perfect slip fit into that pipe. Just slide it on, put a couple of sheet metal screws in, and you're good to go. Those are the main questions that we had. If you have any, put them down in the comments and I'll address each one of them. Hey folks, really appreciate you watching the deep dive today. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know about every one of our videos right when they come out. And if you're interested in getting some Full Throttle blast gates, there's a link right down below. It'll take you straight to the page. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Deep Dive.